and you can see this young girl is 11. A month ago you can see she's functioning, she's a really good dancer on TikTok, so look her up. And suddenly, well, she has severe pain, and now the messages are not getting from her head to her feet. She's virtually bedbound, so she can't walk. And she's got this sign which Dr. Baines is demonstrating, where the messages aren't getting through. So she's going to be paralysed. And if you look at her scan here, what's happened is that's the top, there's the brain, there's the spinal cord, and there's compression. So the messages are not getting from the brain to the arms and legs. And what we're going to do is make it better by putting screws and fixing it. And hopefully it'll stop the progression, but hopefully get her back to walking and standing straight.